Yo, 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 what's up? I'm in Ubud. Probably some of you already recognize this gate. Yes, that's the entrance or exit from the Champuhan Ridge Walk. And today I'm gonna show you the village over here. It's about 2 kilometers long, small road where are so many houses, warungs, restaurants, even the hotel. So stay tuned. I will show you how it looks area over here. It's very peaceful, calm area, just about 2.5 kilometers from the Ubud center if you're gonna walk. But if you drive, obviously much more far. I think it's about 7-8 kilometers because you have to go very far around. But it's very calm area and still beautiful. There is small warung and some guy making a penjor. This area is more likely a village life already. There are some new villas and hotels like this one, this white building over here, very modern. Little bit doesn't suit to the area over here in my opinion. However, somebody built like this here, but still so many local places like this small warung at the front, or this house, local house over here where is the local temple. It's beautiful. You can find many small warungs like this one, local warungs. Unfortunately, it's closed today, but the owners are inside. They're preparing, preparing the penjor. I think it's some ceremony in this village or something like this. I'm not really sure. And well, somebody have a nice Land Cruiser here and small path. They are local house. Here's some hotels already starts, guest houses. Also, when I was last time in Ubud, I said this is quite busier. I mean, not busy, but busier. So you can see quite many cars around. Also here, some local guest house. Here also seems like it's the Vijaya Garden, one house for rent. You can go down, beautiful path, and there must be a house, local house, if you're interested. Alright, and here we go. Here is some small local owned hotel. I'm not sure, Amora Ubud Villas and Hotel, and there are 3 cars, I think some guests, and they have even 50k per person, the pool pass with the pool overlooking the jungle. And that's how it looks like. Everywhere here are the small hotels, restaurants. By the way, I really like this garden here. And there's supposed to be a hotel, but it's closed. I'm not gonna get inside, but look at this one. It's actually beautiful wall from the plants, isn't it? The rest of the video, I have the area actually. I'm gonna show you driving very slowly around because it's like 2 kilometers one-way walk, and it's like gaps. Like for example, this gap over here, where is nothing here. Probably you can buy this land if you're interested, but it's like too hard to walk, especially, you know, it's like so hot. Today it's cloudy again. The weather nowadays is not that bad, but not that best, but it's so hard to walk, you know what I mean? So alright, after this hotel there are some local houses on the left, on the right. Quite many doggos everywhere around here. There is also at the front a very nice house. I think this is for rent, and small warung. And also here there are some foreigners living around, like this 2 boys. They are actually typically Ubud style people because long hair and stuff like this. Beautiful rice fields still around, still space for the house or villa. Hopefully this rice field is gonna stay like this as long as possible. However, that's how it looks like. And also some local people are walking around. I'm not sure if they are local or tourists, but yeah, that's how it is. Beautiful small temple next to the rice fields, and beautiful rice today. I really like this area, to be honest. Area is great, however it's not that famous yet. Maybe that's why it's so beautiful. But here on the right is some restaurant, and I think hotel also supposed to be, unfortunately closed. At the front, as you see, again there are some 2 couples, foreigners, and the beautiful rice fields, stuff like this. Yo, what's up? Nice moves, man. And here one more guy. Yo, what's up? And everybody are super friendly here, and check this out, beautiful rice fields. and this building, I don't know what's gonna be this one. I think it's something new gonna be. And this is the lady. Unfortunately, she didn't speak really good English. She don't speak English at all. She have beautiful golden retriever here, and yeah, that's how it looks like. Still a lot of rice fields, literally everywhere around, but there are some buildings, restaurants, stuff like this. There is another lady with the doggo. Here's some nice cafe. Unfortunately, most of these cafes are closed, unfortunately, but that's how it looks. A lot of local guest houses here also. Somebody have a beautiful door and entrance to the place. I'm not sure about the prices of accommodation here. However, seems like many expats, people who stay longer in Bali, they're living here, so it must be really not that bad. And also here was some construction, renovation, construction stuff like this. And I think here is one more hotel, something big and something new here. Actually, I will slow down a little bit to show you. Really not sure what's the name of the place. And another lady with the doggo. Something new, literally. Something new is here. Oh, this is the name. Kastara Resort Spa Ubud. Alright, there was the gap, little bit of the forest, and now closer to the main road, they are local village with the, well, obviously local houses. They try to selling some clothes, quite many doggos, and they have so many panjors, which is this bamboo sticks. That's very Balinese thing. I don't know if there are holidays coming. However, this village is prepared, and as you see, also the foreigners with the big bikes are here. So I think it's quite many houses for rent for the very affordable price. Because seems like many expats, Ubudian expats, are living here. Alright, here is some new hotel, restaurant on the right, Asfara Ubud, as you see. And here is the junction and main road already, and a lot of beautiful rice fields around, as you can see. And here is Janata Hotel. I have the birthday here some time ago, 2 years ago, my 28th birthday last time, and there is beautiful road with the beautiful rice fields around. Also few villas and restaurants on the left over here. As you can see, it's quite beautiful area, and also I can see something on the right, on the left. I messed up. Anyway, somewhere over here some construction, as you can see. So the area is definitely developed quite well, I could say. Also, this is the road to the village of Taro, and this is one of my favorite roads in Bali, in Ubud so far. It's just beautiful to drive here, so I will take you for the quick journey until I'm gonna turn around somewhere here or over here. Alright guys, I just stopped on the middle of the road. Obviously beautiful landscape around. I just had to turn around. This was the good space because the road is small. Anyway, there is some villas. This is not paid endorsement, however I'm gonna use this path because it's very beautiful walk here. That's how it looks, this area of Ubud. One day I'm gonna show you more to the north. There is the Taro village, also beautiful area of Ubud. Unfortunately or fortunately, there are not many hotels. However, yeah, they are still beautiful area of Ubud, and many local life. There are also some businesses over there and some villas. Also, I would like to show you how tranquil this area is. You can almost walk on the middle of the street. It's very quiet, beautiful rice fields on the left, on the right, literally everything. Just beautiful. I will say, just take a deep breath. However, it's filtered by the masks, but still, yeah, potentially you can enjoy it. Hope so you enjoyed, because in my opinion, it's beautiful area over here. You can comment below if you potentially would like to rent a house or villa somewhere there. And meanwhile, that's it from me from today. As always, see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.